Okay, this video is going to show you the steps that you should take in order to complete page 165 out of your math book. The problem says the right trapezoidal prism is composed of a right rectangular prism joined with a right triangular prism. And you need to find the volume of the right trapezoidal prism shown in the diagram using two different strategies. Just a reminder, volume is going to tell you how many 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter cubes fit inside the figure. And the reason I'm using the units of centimeters is because that's what everything's labeled in, okay? And the directions want us to use two strategies. So instead of completing the problem for you, I'm going to lay out the two strategies that you want to use in order to find the volume of this figure right here, okay? So strategy number one, you're going to find the area of the face, so this right here, and then you're going to multiply it by h, okay? So you need to, since you see that it's a trapezoid right here, you're going to need to break it up probably into a rectangle and a triangle in order to find the area of that face, okay? So I have it all listed right here. So you could take the area of that rectangle part, so find the area of this rectangle part right here, write it down, and then you're going to find the area of the triangle part, write down your answer, and add them together. Once you add them together, you're going to multiply it by h, which is this length right here, okay? Which is 1.5 centimeters. So go ahead and do that to complete this part of strategy number one. And yes, show your work. It's obvious that I didn't write any numbers down because you need to show your work and you need to go through the steps to complete this. Strategy number two. The second way that you can solve this is find the volume of the rectangular prism. So find the volume of this rectangular prism right here. And then you got to find the volume of the triangular prism. So you'll find the volume of this part right here. And what you would do to that is you'd add them together after you found the volume of each of them. So here's what you do to find the volume of the rectangular prism. You'd go length times width times height. Okay, that would give you the volume of this. And then you're going to add it to the volume of that triangular prism, and to find the volume of the triangular prism, it's 1/2 base times height times h. So once you've gotten those answers, you show your work here, add them together, and once you add those two volumes together, you're going to get the grand total volume of this entire trapezoidal prism, okay? And again, show your work on here. It's very obvious that I didn't write numbers down, so if you just write this down, it's going to show me that you're not doing what you're supposed to be doing because I want you to show your work, okay? For both strategies, the volume should be about 14 600 centimeters cubed, so that's what you should be getting, okay? And your work needs to reflect that, otherwise you won't get points for this and you're not getting any good practice.